Right, so electricity windmills and the sound they make. Interesting question. So we're near Waitahuna, and I'm looking at, let's see here, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. You can see them.
9.
9, sorry, 9. These are big mofos. I think they're shorter than what's proposed at Blueskin. They're shorter, but Blueskin wants one. This is 9. I'm not having to yell because the sound in the background, I don't know, what would you call this? This is your next door neighbor has a heat pump on,
Yeah.
is the sound. Or my heat pump that I can hear when I'm in the lounge room and the pump's outside. Maybe it's the sound of the clothes washing machine on in the laundry that I can hear when I'm in the lounge room.
Yeah, it's that kind of volume.
But it's not a sound you're ever going to be disturbed by, I wouldn't think. Slightly high-pitched, slightly incessant. Windy day. You can see they're all turning except for the one broken one over there.
I don't think that other sound is there.
You can hear
Yeah.
way up in the distance. You can hear wah wah wah, and then there's a high-pitched sound of the turbine inside. But that's all. Interesting. Nowhere near as loud as anybody would have thought.